Martin. He drove the boat over here.
Yeah.
Take
Hi! Thank you!
Shout out to Ryan. Put it on Facebook, innit?
Have a good day. Benidorm now. Yeah.
Bye bye!
Thumbs up.
See you later!
Have a lovely time. Hi everyone from home.
See you later! Cheers!
curling. Happy oldies.
Yeah.
Is that going on Squad?
If you let's see things, then can I put it on? Happy holidays! Hello! I was looking for you there. How are you?
Fine,
Very well.
Hey, and?
Very well back in Benidorm.
Back in Benidorm.
Classes today. Wonderful day. Today is a very wonderful day. Today is my first day with 44 years old. Yeah. Yes, today is my first day. Of this year, 44. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Camera shy, are you?
Me too, I'm never in it, but you are now.
Darling, you alright?
What's watching one of your videos yesterday, actually.
And today.
I watched it yesterday, I watched it more.
Thank you very much. Hi.
Got it. YouTube.
Subscribe now. Get your name down.
Thank you. Bye bye.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. And you?
Yeah.
You love it there?
That's why we're in the shade.
Cheers. Yeah. Cheers. Hi.
I'm subscribed to you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, I love your account.
Oh, I hope I see you later.
Yes.
I will.
Hello.
Bye. Yeah. Hi, girls.
What's up in Benidorm now? Let us know. Hit that like and subscribe button, baby. That's the closest thing that they're going to get to the World Cup.
Oh my God. Really, really?
A Benidorm World Cup, baby.
Sorry. Hi. Hi. Hiya. I'm good, Sharon. Andrew, treat. See you later.
Hi, Jane.
Hi, Rhiannon. Hi. Hi. Ooh. Hi. How are you doing this? Hi. Hello.
Viva Skeg Vegas.
Oh, wait. Where's your background?
Viva Skeg Vegas. Hello, I'm James from Bedford. And this is the captain of the ship.
Hello.
Craig Bowman.
He's the captain.
He drove the boat over here.
Yeah.
And he's a good captain.
Literally,
good
give me
captain.
the old glasses.
Give me the old alright boy. How you doing, girl?
I said to my kids, I'll get on it.
Get a video of the worst fucking hangover pussy ever.
I'm just a bit,
You know,
just a
you're,
bit delicate.
you're
I don't see anything.
No,
You're looking great.
thank you very much. And
See
yourself.
nothing. I was.
No, don't get me.
You work here?
Oh, you're on camera?
You work here?
Hey, Benedict. Hey. Woo, 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 woo. Right, get camera shy, get camera shy.
Benidorm Crazy Marcus here with Pete down at Miller's Beach Bar with the beautiful Benidorm now. Subscribe to our channel, subscribe to Crazy Marcus, and come down to Miller's Beach Bar to get a pint, get cooled off in this Benidorm heat.
Wow.
You look fucked up, don't you, lad?
What do I do? Speak.
To say
Chicken Beach, we love Benidorm!
yes!
What brought you guys here?
My stag do.
Sorry?
My stag do.
Thank you.
Okay. Give me a quid, I want to get it for video. I'll put him on TikTok. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Thank you,
Hi. Hello. Hola. 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 Hola.
We're loving it. Wolf on Gloucester. Come on, Gloucester. Get in there.
Absolutely not.
Take two.
We landed hard with the sun in our face, straight to the strip. What a bloody fine